Who do you wish to work with on your EP? Ngabobani abangathi like ungafuna ukuthi bafaka lapha
on the EP. To be honest, Msongi. Do you know Msongi? There's other guy.
Around land.
No.
Yeah.
Obviously industry, man.
Yeah.
Guy Msongi on this guy, the guy.
The track you don't say three.
Yeah.
Yeah. I want that guy in faith and foot in the boost. Bushindalo. Yeah, Bushindalo.
The top 3 producers as a producer. Now with you. What are those are the gods?
Yeah. Mina Kabza. Kelvin Momo. Yeah,
Sticks.
Yeah.
Mbani Sticks. It's all about which music, what you've cooked through your beats and everything. Like Abon Bias, what
fire.
And the track. Do you understand?
Sure.
Yeah, the point is to put yourself out there. Cause man, like. Stay tuned for another special episode of Easy on 8-Bit Sithole. Hi guys, welcome to the channel. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, like, comment, press notification bell. Every time I drop anything, you'll be notified. This is episode 25, guys. I'm not alone, as you can see. I have a new guest, and then I am somebody who's busy returning to the pod. And then I hope you will be coming here oftenly. Cause every time, guys, when I say this person will be coming here oftenly, they end up not coming. So now we'll see, because he did promise saying, and I'll be there, man. So we'll see how things goes, man. From my far right, we have
/tag sikhiwa abantwana lo yathatha 500 philuka lezi mitha labantwana baya mitha manje sigijimisa kilometers issue
away Slay Tiger, and then the second
Hope the music, obvious producer call.
Ne
Danko,
Hope the music. Away. Lastly, you were here, you were dropping Jabulisa Bazali.
Yes, sir.
And then how Jabulisa Bazali have been doing injani iyahamba kwenzakalani.
Honest, Jabulisa Bazali yo yaspana kakhulu vele ngoba ngiyabona wonke umuntu bathi when are you going to drop this track yabo ngoba vele ngisipane nomjida. Hope the music was the producer Jabulisa Bazali, and it's been a blessing ukuthi ngisipane naye umjida because
wait, when you are dropping last you were just busy advertising it. Even
last I was just
is it?
Yeah.
No way, bro. You haven't dropped it?
Nah, not yet. But
so ufuna drop EP kwenzakalani like skipani?
To be honest, very mina no Hope the music. We were talking about dropping an EP nyana or an album, mabo. So ngiyabona ukuthi this year boss we have like sinesikhathi sincane, so we are going to move it from next year January. So guys, please bafethu, please support us because we are going to drop it at channel channel MTV base because yabonga ukuthi ngiphethe intwana yami la. So
it's cooking because like I thought last night when you come on the pod, I think it was episode 24 or so, right?
Sure.
I thought like you have already dropped Jabulisa Bazali. You haven't dropped it?
Nah, not yet.
Hey, this guy is cooking his, guys. Hey, he's cooking his. And then I hope the music, the producer. I want to know a little background of your story of producing. Producer, like what inspired you to like he never you forget it, you know what? Like how did your journey start?
Yeah, hope and toy. So I'm music.
But the number plate, guys. Say when producer and hope the music and everything. But the Kabbalah like number plate. There's a number plate too. It's more. Away, all the Ngwenyas out there, shout out. Yeah, and then ilona yakho ijeni yakho your producer iqale kanjani?
Yeah, iqale last year.
Okay.
September.
Around September.
Yeah.
Okay.
Nginamachita feel producer escale. So every time like Baba sana ma track, bangsele, ngibasele. ngithola.
Oh, so kusho ukuthi amajita abathole like ingoma esigele and everything. Bebasendela wena.
Ebasendela mina.
Then wena bawuyizwa ukuthi hayi man, I can do this thing.
Yeah. Ngaqala la ngadownload iFM. Efoni.
Oh, yeah. What's a phone? Yeah. Everything you have like a humble beginning. Okay, what download the phone in?
Angispanele efoni. I download the laptop.
Okay.
I download dana. Wachita mesikaya nama advice. So from there.
Yeah.
Hlangana no Slash.
Yeah.
Suweti skin ifele so.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, Puma ekasle le one.
Yeah.
Oh.
TV1.
Oh, so bendlala ibhola together.
TV1, yeah.
Then who approached who when it comes to music?
Hope the music.
Yeah. Oh, is it?
Yeah.
So when like okay, when you went to Slash Tiger because both way ngolon was Slash Tiger. He knows which we are going. Hey chief, what I can do something.
Yeah. Slash Tiger ngazwa le track ile ala. Ele muhle.
Yeah.
Mula. Muhle.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Ngazwa le track.
Yeah.
Ngasho ukuthi namasimo amabitha ka.
Yeah. Umlando esigela skipha isizifana weza umlando esigela o skipani
Yeah, by phone and so WhatsApp. Obviously.
Already wone ilona yakipelasi yakhe.
Yeah.
Oh, ifunile wayithola.
Yeah, ngifuni.
Okay?
Khona uchela sponisana nayo ngithola.
Oh, okay.
Acula nayo.
Oh,
Mini B.
Yeah, Mini B.
Mini B.
You must bring Mini B. Mini B siyakufuna la, siyakufuna. You must come through.
Yeah. Mini B.
Shout out to her. Yeah.
Feli ngifuna about ukuzoshana bina. Ngitshela yini.
Yeah.
Mangimtshela.
Oh, lo chela.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Osendela uSlash.
Yeah.
Sithomisa.
Okay, that's what sithi ifuna ukulola. What hayi, besidlala sonke ibhola. Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
Sahlangana feel. Sasifana.
So when the equipment, no, because we can't just rush into everything. I-mic uyithola phi wena? Ilona cause manje you just mentioned with on a PC.
Yeah, nge-laptop. Hey.
Okay, and then record ngani? When you hit him up and say, yo, bro.
Siyahlangana siye-studio so recorda khona.
Bengasebenzisa studio sakho. Bengisebenzisa studio sakho bani?
Tapes.
Oh, nize ngaphi from wena uploma kabi? Mina I thought ukuthi uploma la.
Siploma eKaseliwa.
Nize ngapha.
Ngapha sazoyikhoda sabuye.
Guys, lento le bathi passion pays guys, but it's a journey. Ayiveli nje kwenzeka nje it's a journey. Okay, and then niza ngapha nifika na recorder.
Yeah, safika sa recorder.
So who is busy doing the beats and everything? Or when at the time usa download the iPhone bowubona ukuthi udlala kanjani like how or maybe when wenza ama beat kuphi endlini?
Yeah, ngayenza endlini laptop ngithola.
Okay.
Ngayenza ama beat sahlangana sawamame ngithola. Ngoba zakhetha ibeat lezi. Zakhetha ibeat lezi ezifuna.
Yeah.
Azinika. Sazo recorder fika.
Afika ligibelela ngapha ukuthi tips. Oh, okay. And ngalesi sikhathi you're not even charging anything.
Yeah, for phone.
Uthi asahambe, let's push these things. What ukuthi?
So
yeah. Then manifika ngapha uTips uthini? Uncharge yini imali for recording session?
To be honest, Tapes uthi banyam ngoba uwe uclear clip but uve asikathi isikhabatha because we are still an upcoming artist but I don't blame him
because now
yazama so I said I feel yazi
plus equipment is expensive.
futhi oliphetheyo.
I heard ukuthi lo ngingakajiki one day Tips I'm gonna come by your studio ngizoshare ukuthi
Tips to him.
Then na record that's your first time recording someone or making a beat for umuntu nje.
Yeah, it was the first time.
Yeah. Then ihamba ifika into yakho lo tshelo lo uthi uyalona uyacula naye Mini B naye uze wamlona wamproducer.
Yeah,
ne so when like as a producer wenza like music enjani?
So full amapiano, private school amapiano.
issue.
Shalela.
Oh, ilona amapiano,
Yeah, amapiano.
and then hip hop.
Aye.
Do you know which you started as a hip hop guy?
Yeah, I think that's all.
Yeah. So, because you said these things on our previous episode, guys.
Yeah.
If you still wanna know more about him, please go and watch episode 24. Yeah, then chilling na species and then manje, like how many people have you produced? Like Uba and ama beats.
Yeah, it's only 2.
It's only Stage Tiger.
Yeah.
No one.
Nenye yasekazi usilehle omunye.
Yeah, oh, umunye Slash na.
Yeah, mawakususe
Yeah, or Slash nje.
Yeah, silehle.
So okay, now of course ngamajita was say rounding and everything. Yeah. Well, like you are a charger or it's all about kuti yo, let's just wait.
Yeah, usibana kuphela I'm charging it.
Yeah. When are you our music for your side? You are just a beat maker.
Yeah.
No man, you must start doing something about a talent here because what I can tell you is but people make a lot of money by writing songs for Abanye band. You understand? Because I heard even in Psyche, she was talking about this thing. Nama beats, things Nama beats online. People make like a chunk of money just to sell beats online. Yabona manje kuna managers saying bayibizani le yabo ipiano ama
Afrobeat.
no, not Afrobeat is originated in Nigeria.
Yeah.
Tina we just take Afrobeat nani jenga nabo manje ba basateli piano. Babizani lo nini. I just forgot which Bob is on that side. I'm a piano. Let's say kune like in an artist that side, ne? Who wanna hop into piano. When you can sell a piano that side online. You understand? You send everything, but it means now you don't own anything now. You can only say with yo, that's my beat. But because you sold it, like I have no copywriters or yes, but a lot of people make money when it comes to Elon. But I'm a busy about songwriting and everything. And then Slash Tiger now he just abandoned hip hop vet.
Yeah.
Why? Because it's not making money. Like what's up?
Nah, it's not the right time for now, yabo. Like I said before, ukuthi hip hop manje sugcwele ilento ipiano kakhulu. So ipiano trend kakhulu, especially for us ama 2K. So for now my focus piano. So hip hop I will come back.
Yeah.
And obviously it's going to be a movie when I show up. But now I'm feeling Mina Channel and hope the music because he's a good producer and a very sponsor Shire. And I always obviously my people good them. When any trackings we shine for more, we can do a album. So Uxpana is being a blessing very.
No, I know I hear you too. There's another thing that I wanted to ask you, Slash Tiger, when it comes to your music. Okay, when as a producer, what do you think about Licompo? Because people been saying that Licompo is gonna take it's gonna take South Africa by storm, just like Amapiano. Yes, what do you think about that as a producer?
I mean, I don't think so.
You don't think so?
Yeah.
Where's Licompo?
Yeah, so say no carbs.
So what if those guys they jump into Licompo?
Yeah, Menzi.
Because these things happen,
Yeah. Because
no reason. What happened?
Jumping with piano.
Yeah. If hip hop is not working for you, you go to the other side. So right now, because like Licompo is coming. It's no longer about the pop right now. Licompo it's another genre which is coming. Your Charisma, your who's this guy? Your Chavez, your who's this guy? Okay, bye. They're coming with fire. You must give yourself time to listen to these guys. Cause according to me, iyo into yenzeke ku hip hop and stuff. When the Yanos are coming, people used to say, niggas and 3 months or so, this thing is gonna be dead.
But now,
and now it's taking globally though. Everyone is talking about it. Now we are living in an internet spaces now.
I mean, I think it depends on my artist. No, my artist or party. That's all. All I jump about girls are really go. Yeah, I think my part.
That's the way is all on.
Is on your
And then okay, Slash Tiger, I heard you've been saying even Jabri Bazal and whatnot. You're just piling this music here and there. Are you thinking of releasing an EP or just an album?
For in the industry, I will do an EP. So album is release the second day.
So by Jan, ufuna ukusinikeza ilona EP.
Yeah, Jabulisa Bazal. So Jabulisa.
Wait. So Jabulisa Bazal would be like a title of your EP.
Think about
because I know there's like a track Jabulisa Bazal.
Yeah.
Because now you're saying no, I will give Jabulisa Bazal as if like it's a title.
Nah.
No, you just saying.
Yeah, I'm just saying.
And then how many tracks do you have in the pipeline so far?
For now, in the EP,
I
think it's going to be 7.
But like now, how many do you have? Like the ones that you're just packing.
Okay, I think 3.
You still have like a solid 3.
3, yeah, solid 3.
But not in Tlizio, guys.
In Tlizio, yeah.
Yeah. People, watch out for this boy, guys. Yeah. It's coming with fire, bro.
Yes.
It's coming with fire. There's a track, bro. He made some status and everything. Then I was like asking him, like, yo, is this you, dog?
Yeah.
I was like, yo, it's me. I was like, yeah, I know. He's coming. He's coming with the storm, guys. He's coming with the storm. And you are the one who produced that track.
Yeah, the track.
I know. Hey, something is happening. Yeah, something is. The boys are cooking. But and then who do you wish to work with on your EP? Now, like
on the EP, to be honest, Msongi. Do you know Msongi? There's other guy.
Around land.
No.
Yeah.
Obviously, industry,
yeah.
Msongi. Kona labo kona baba nyacela.
Angiyazi that track.
You don't know that track, you have to Google it. Msongi. Yeah, very Mina no.
Wait. You know the track nobody know McG.
Yeah. But
like the thin guy, like a tall guy, so where will I skinny or maybe it's not the one.
No, the guy Msongi unis guy. The guys,
network no set 3.
Yeah.
I want that guy in faith and foot in the boost. Bushindalo. Yeah. Those guys in faith too, even I told them my picture.
My picture on your
many doors will open and so especially us as a Internet Sekas, many doors will open because some song very from day one and in the industry I was I was into
but like are you guys pushing your music or even on TikTok spaces?
Yeah, I do.
Cause like Amos, there's a interview that they did with McG on Podcast and Chill. He said something very important. He said it's easier if manje hope the music Ukabza can call you on his camp, then Puri called you as well and everything. Ubana like the music, nala band. It's easier for you to blow up. But for you, as a Slash Tiger, to come and carry yourself like as like a single person, it's gonna be hard for you. And they can call you just to hear your vocals, which damn.
She's
like yo, he's doing where's him repeat? Do you understand? So they can call you to come and do your vocals on some of their songs and everything. And I remember it's not your song. but your name is gonna be out there.
Yeah, it's gonna be up there.
You understand? I hope. So lento like what the guy was trying to say, ukuthi Nina, where you are, try by all means ukuthi nisipusha.
Nisipusha nanoma kunzima.
Like no kunzima like manje nishaya ivideo nihlele kuphi estratini makuneyilona trying to promote music wenu before ama big artists like give you injection, because once bakunikeza injection, let's say nguwe manje slash people come for you bakuthatha bakubeka lapha wena when you guys decide to release your music, your project, it's not gonna be banged though. And you can cook hits, but it's not gonna be there because laba bantu bekumele banposta nani abukabza abobanbani, they are not there to push you guys. So what I'm trying to say to these guys, I'm saying ukuthi they must put their selves out there kusase manje. You understand?
Sure.
Even if I call you jive, yes, something I try to push you, but like the point is to abantu bamamela leyo track. Do you understand? It's not a matter of when you call jive. I mean, it's all about which music, what you've cooked through your beats and everything. Like about bias, what young Julius and the track. Do you understand?
Sure.
Yeah. The point is to put yourself out there. Cause like you can hope for the biggest feature and everything, and you do get those. Cause siyafuna vele ukubala phaya. And siyafuna ukuthi wanna be known ukuthi mina featurely, or maybe what there's this female DJ. She's always posting. So local one. What's her name? Bianca Hule or something. Bianca Hule or something. I think she's local here. She's always playing and everything. You wanna be played by those people, which every now and then maniti sienda on it easy music going. Maniti ni nari ngoma yetu. Maniti ngoma yetu. Do you understand? But sometimes you have to hustle yourself up there. Like you have to put yourself out there. Hey, that is cool. Put yourself up there, guys. I'm gonna use the top 3 producers as a producer. Now, what are those are the gods?
I mean, now Kabza, Kelvin Momo,
Sticks. Mbani Sticks.
Don't know the Sticks. Producer.
But I mean, I don't know much about these people.
Sticks, producer. Also Sasangena Yekimi. The guy is fire. Ngoba check kuma socials. Zombona Sticks.
Sticks.
Yo.
It's too much.
Sticks. Futhi obvious usha in la yomjida about the music. Usha like it's so full. Sticks. That's why very who inspire. Yeah. Those top 3 in faith too. Abona more better the top 3 there. Who hope the music and so yeah.
I understand with you.
I
see. Because Kabza is more like a soulful guy. As much as maybe private school yaga Kelvin. The one who see lazy I see lazy music go papa, he like listen to me and feel me. Type shit music.
Until. And so maybe you can listen to the track maybe for how many for 3 weeks. Now ungaboreki. Hayi iskije. Now uzophathi uzoyikhanda. Hayi ngeke yo. Uzophathiwa ikhanda. Uzomame so wacaba nama lines ukuthi eskijini bazogibela kanje. So thina shaya ilento imusic yethu is all about the message. Hayi ukuthi masingene emicini sakasi. Hayi dog.
I know you. But guys, believe you me, guys, like he's coming. There's a dope vocalist I've heard like locally around Lana. I know Ibambi. It's coming. It's coming. But you guys must create like a camp. Even that lady, that you guys say.
Mini P.
Yeah, you must try to feature her. Maybe she can come up with something.
That's why we are trying to do touring Soweto yonke. So when you are saying touring Soweto yonke, should manje sizoza each and every cast yangithola. Uthini nathi sidlalele ingoma zethu and then nani bafethu siposele ingoma zenu uthi senzeni sizo connect njengama artist as an upcoming artist. So touring Soweto yonke should manje izosiza ukuthini ngithola izosiza nathi ukuthi si boost music yethu ukuthi ibe to the next level ngithola. So I'm going to drop some posters now uzothola ngani yeah izoba into enjalo.
I know. So, guys, let's support our local guys. Let's support our locally. If music upumile as a streaming, we have to stream, guys. Yeah. You wanna, especially London, you show people have to collaborate, and create like your mini camps and everything.
Yeah.
It's a booster and mind. If niggas are that thing, like. Now, like you have to prove your point. Like yo, as a Slash Tiger, I have to. Ubanbani can sing better than me and everything. Yeah, like yes, you have to have that competitive nature. Which I have to do better than anyone. Maungena but once why I got that booth. I'm the goat. They must know what I'm feeling. We should. I'm telling you. So if kuno muntu ne, ufuna just alone, ufuna a beat. Like how much are you charging or like I don't know. Yeah, like how much are you charging per beat or per track?
Right now, I'm like charge, I'm so even on my feature, I'm so.
Yeah, but what if kuno muntu out there? What's in Mina beat? If this guy can send me a beat, Mina just a beat. How much can you charge us?
Sharing imports.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah?
I don't know.
This guy. You have to know your business, my guy. You have to know your business. Oh, niggas abanda amalona wako, okay? Ama socials.
Yeah, feel TikTok, obviously, hope the music. Instagram, hope the music. Facebook, hope the music. Yeah.
If bagfuna bagulanda.
Yeah, wanglandara.
Slash Tiger.
Yeah.
If abantu bafuna ukubhuka pra please asinikezeni abantu.
Okay, about Facebook /Tiger and then Instagram /Tiger and then bulento TikTok /Tiger. My phone number 063 275 3351 /Tiger. Damn cool.
No, but like I feel like there's something that is missing that we have to unpack. What do you think he need to ufuna issue or ufuna put out there with abantu bayazinga wenje?
What's about it now? Yeah, Mina.
I don't want to leave anything.
Yeah.
I'm fooling because today is based on music and everything.
Yeah.
Whether you still gonna come back and it.
Yeah. I'm still. Wasn't born.
When I was also yeah.
I'm still going to work.
Yeah. And then hope please if there's something if you feel like how long maybe does it take to produce a beat?
Oh, I see this job.
Yeah, working idona yakho uthatha yini iviki kanjani about producing nje asitshela abantu let's say there's like a kid naye ufuna ukulandela hope the music when it's come to producing ungathini kuyo lo.
Yeah, mina producer thatha uma 30 to 1 hour. In order ukuthi libe perfect. Like yeah, ungathatha maybe v lona hamba ubuye uzolungisa kanto uvaye ubuye umamele edenye master yonke. Yeah, bawuyenze wena ithoni yakho thatha 30 to 1 hour
just to keep adjusting normal beat.
Yeah, normal beat.
Yeah,
ukuthi libe perfect ungathatha iv.
Yeah, no, I hear you, man. And then slash if kuna abantu ngale bathi hey sifuna kuyazi ukuthi why lo mchita lona phusha kanje yini ayekela ibhola nani skip and turn to your people there.
It's all about following your dream, Bafethu, and so never give up on yourself, and so not obviously, but we are still pushing. We still have our goals and dreams, so we need to achieve something in life. So when nahlale khoneni Bafethu utshele ukuthi imali izozabo wena, just stick to the plan and follow your dream, and don't forget to pray, Bafethu. So don't forget to pray, Tandazo, and so yeah, as long as I got this guy, Bafethu, yonke into ibulayini, and so just stick to the plan and the food, Bafethu. If you're inspired to me, dog, to be honest, I'm going to tell you something, dog. You're going to make it in life no matter what is going to happen. When I just do your thing. Danko, please.
And then there's something that I wanted to say to you as well as a producer. Infinity as a producer. Oh, you guys mentioned which is a happy freedom park to record and everything, and then go back and everything. When are you building your own studio? To do almost everything.
Yeah, that's it soon.
Ne?
It's still now, but some few things now.
Like
but
equipment
wise, we still soon.
Yeah, cause it's very, cause according to me, it's just that Labanga, now which is boys, you can see, guys. You know, from where we are to where this guy stays, it's a walk. Yes, type that. But just imagine it's raining in Aunamal and you have to come to the studio and stuff. Do you understand?
Yeah.
So just to have your mini studio, sometimes you have to perfect your work and everything. Ne? If you finish in the tapes and everything, you can come with your finished project.
Yeah,
but yo, and Zipalana, Uzo, Uzi, not like from scratch and everything. Because it's costing you guys as well. Do you understand? So, what in Chola Lele, Lonanyana, two-way, because Ntone is a judge in alone. Sean the producer, alone, on the studio, and I wears like music, but take my car. Maybe that thing now.
Cut, but it's a cut sound. What?
Yeah, you're the sound card, what you're calling, say, no, in Kuliana, but in 2-way or 3-way, what they call and stuff.
We really need it.
Yes. Shout out to my boy, Sean the producer. What else I wanted to say? I wanted to say something. I feel like there's something missing. Like, yo, I wanted to ask you guys so bad.
Sure.
There's something missing. But for now, Slash Tiger, you don't have music online, eh?
For now, no, I'm not going to release it for now. But for now, obviously, just in J, we have some few problems, so we need to solve Jinga Majita, like Jinga crew, we are going to register it and so.
I got it now. Sorry to cut you off. So to distribute your music, you're 70 because I had to buy this DistroKid or something. Now it's DistroKid, Nati Faga music online, Apple, Spotify, YouTube as well, ne?
Yeah, we're going to use it.
DistroKid, and I think you only like pay a certain amount, then the rest of it in alone. Oh, it's a monthly thing.
Yeah, pay per month.
Shit! Every month. Yeah. I don't know.
Nah,
like if you pay, you can release as many tracks as you want.
But it's a monthly fee. Seriously. Because Oskido have this thing, I think is you pay only 350 or so, for the whole year. Oskido have it as well. Oskido. If you can go and watch podcast and chill, where they're interviewing Oskido, you mentioned these things. It's a music distributing whatever you call. So you pay like a certain amount. Let's say you pay 350. So it means when you pay 350 this month, manje in October now. It's October now. Yeah, also patala manje in October. you're gonna pay, I think, next year October again.
Yeah.
It's not like a monthly thing that like, yo,
That's why
now
I'm going to register December. I want to pay December.
do you understand that?
Sure,
It's
yeah.
better.
It's better,
It's better.
yeah.
Each track cost more.
I know it's cost more, guys. Whew.
Yeah.
It's a bad thing, this kid.
Yeah.
But like, yo, that's why I'm saying you have to market your music very well,
Yeah.
so it can sell. So maybe you guys can generate like a revenue. Do you understand?
Sure.
Yeah. And then another thing that I wanted to ask, guys, if I'm missing something, please say it. I don't wanna make this chat,
Yeah.
I'm trying to,
Make it interesting.
like to pull it as much as I can.
Yeah.
I don't wanna just cut J. I wanted to say something again. What do you have in mind while I'm still processing this thing?
Okay. Yeah.
I don't know, man. Hope, do you have anything that you wanna share, man?
Yeah, I do have something.
Let's go.
I saw my friends who Guvaliwe the warehouse.
Yeah,
The warehouse. The warehouse is a podcast now. It's all about live performance about artists there upcoming myself myself.
Wait, this thing.
This thing kati yenzeka DK.
It's a proof.
Yeah, DK yeah.
Value.
So I think it's close now, but and then it's really good. I'm not going to come in why. And because kati promoter on artist.
Yeah,
shit, I didn't know about that. That's a good chat. Wait. So writing, if you are an upcoming artist, the one is like kuna group chat la show I wanna come.
Performing on my album.
Yes.
If I will through TikTok.
Yeah.
So there, I don't know what happened because ngathi bayivale ngobuhle. Buhle bandalo. Yeah, I think buhle ndalo bayivale ngaye that podcast. Angazi ukuthi kambe because yazenzani isiza isiza ama artists ukuthi nibeze khona laba bambiza khona nomfana lokho ngathi Tomponyana the feature Amos Imo. Yeah, do you know Imo?
No, I think I know
from Amos.
Yeah,
Akula no Amos.
Before. Yeah. Before Amos became like.
Now.
Is it?
On my beyond, yeah.
Oh, okay. I don't know the guy. Yeah.
So you can Google the guy and see. So now you Puma down. So lots of artists they Puma in the warehouse. Yeah, in the warehouse.
But there's a warehouse.
Yeah, the warehouse. Yeah.
The warehouse. That's one band.
So I think I'm not sure about Zone because and Bonile won't come artist brother and then they told us that by valid but we want
something similar
similar to that. You understand?
Okay, so lapha bekuwa kune sound sound, the performance and everything
and the mic there.
So then abantu bevangena like mahala or njani?
But got the bangena because they were obvious upcoming artists but lento leyo kade vele TikTok ipatala ilento
laba bantu ba oh, is it?
Yeah, TikTok was paying the podcast vele ukuthi
shit, okay.
So izinto ezinjalo so bafuna into esimile the guy uthi ufuna into esimile but bafethu sikhona Sithole the podcast we can
yeah I think man now you're giving me something you're giving me something. No man, we have to talk about that.
Because now man like it opened many doors
for about
for the young artists and the foot in the podcast was booming.
I wish Ilona was there as well. Because you are saying it's a live performance.
Live
like let's say it's every Friday, ne?
Every Friday.
Yes, spoken like venue, then sound wise, I see. No, I think Amachita maybe Ashawe Indaba you it's either Pugin down or it's either sound wise or none. Because if you were doing these things, Sithole, it was easy because mina sound. So being to produce the sound and everything. So because I'm this side, that's why it's difficult for me to do such and such. Because I think it's a dope idea. I know it's a dope idea. At least that's a dope idea. So each and every create like a group chat. If now like music you go there and then we are shooting then the first piece say announce and yo man, let's give it up for the Slash Tiger.
You ask Slash Tiger maybe 2 questions, some 3 questions.
Yeah. Then let's know. Go ahead and perform.
So there they only perform one track. One track there.
For which plus line. Damn.
Audience, interesting. But interested to good into this So yeah.
Damn, that's crazy, dog. Well, I know. I feel. I want that one. No, that one. Let me put it on my bucket list, which for push our abantwana besekhaya. No man.
Because very now they pay very like this. So yeah.
No, I hear you, man. Hope. Keep producing, man. Keep doing what you do, man. Slash song, we're still gonna be here on the channel doing what we will be doing. Push us, promoter. If kuna bantu ekasi doing something, if you feel like they deserve a spot, iloni channel ikone, but if you wanna push into that, if kuna muntu athungayo or kuna muntu like we are drawer or something, we are mazi, ungasho ukuthi yo Chief, if you want people to, you want to put yourself out there, they can come through. We are not charging anyone. People just come and express their feelings. If you're Chinese, let's say you can t-shirt, t-shirt, you come through and say, yo, guys, now I'm a on a long sleeve. Golf t-shirt, round t-shirt, I'm a hoodie, I'm a 10 years if not 10 years. So guys, we are signing out and then I'll be closing with his track. In Tezio, which is gonna be on the EP, right? It's gonna be on the EP, right?
It's okay.
Okay, guys, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, press notification bell. Every time we drop anything, guys, you'll be notified. We are out, away.
Oh lolo, welele. Oh lolo, welele. Oh lolo, welele. Oh lolo, welele. Inhliziyo yami ifuna wena wedwa. Ingakho ngikhala ngoba uthando lwangehlula. Inhliziyo yami ifuna wena wedwa. Ingakho ngikhala ngoba uthando lwangehlula. Inkomo ziphelele kaya. Inkomo ziphelele kaya. Inkomo ziphelele kaya. Inkomo ziphelele kaya. Oh, dali, when I bambolo me, when I we sun was on me. For everything, forever, just to be my baby. We still a slally panty school, Melinda ba. Angobinda bazitang funi zaziwe ngabantu. Ngabantu, dali, wena weda dali, wena we bambolo me, wena we stand was on me, dali, wena weda dali, wena we bambolo.